Hey everyone, Chris here. Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the FMS PC-21. This is a really nice looking airplane. They've really characterized the shape well on it. It's an 1100mm wingspan, which is a little deceiving because based on the length, it's a pretty long airframe for the size of the span, but really great flying airplane. I was pleasantly surprised, and based on the configuration, I guess I shouldn't have been, because it's extremely user-friendly as a model. The airplane itself assembled really quickly. It's just a matter of a few fasteners. The finish on it is extremely smooth. Now, you don't have lights in here or anything like that, which to me, I don't really mind, but if that's something you're looking for, I do want to mention it. Now, flying the airplane, you've got the 5-bladed prop on here, but the performance is fantastic with the 4S battery. And so you've got good speed, you've got good vertical. The airplane looks great in the air. It's nice and maneuverable. Scale, aerobatics, loops, rolls, and winds, all of that stuff. It does easily. And the wheelies on the landing, I especially like with the airplane, just because, you don't always get that with a model. It has to do with the relationship of the CG and the location of the landing gear. And so for some scale airplanes, you have to have the CG further forward. That makes it a little bit harder to do that. But for this one, wheelies down the runway, fun stuff. And so let's take this out to the runway. We will give you guys a flight and then we'll come back.
Hey Chris, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Is that a battery in your pocket? Are you just happy to see me?
It's battery.
Oh, disappointing.
Oh my.
Look at this wind, he's flying in the wind.
Yes, I did. I put it's a real thin film, clear, like matte.
Now, for the controls, I have settled on low rate aileron and elevator. And so for the aileron, that equates to 60% with 5% expo. And for the elevator, that equates to 60% with no expo. And then for the rudder, I'm at 100% with 15% expo there. And for the flaps, I have a 6% and a 12% down elevator mix with the flaps. And so that's 12% at the full flap setting. And so the airplane lands really nicely with the flaps. I do recommend using it. For the battery, I am using a 4S 3200. And so when you look inside the model, the battery is placed as far forward as it can go up against the gyro. That CG feels perfect to me. It's actually fairly neutral in the inverted. And so what that equates to is if you look at the top of the wing, there is this oval panel here. And so if you pick up the airplane with your fingertips at that panel, so basically if I put my thumbs here and then pick it up, and the airplane's more or less flat, feels perfect. That's a great landmark to check your CG. And so I really like how the airplane's flying there. As I mentioned, it's fairly neutral in the inverted. It feels really good. All right, FMS PC-21. This is a really fun airplane. I've really been enjoying flying it. It looks great. And so, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. In case you missed our last review video, you can check that out here. And until next time, I'll see you at the field.